Farmers are getting hit hard right now. Commodity prices are tanking, with corn and soy barely breaking even. Add to that some brutal weather, scorching heat waves out west, relentless rain flooding the Midwest, and storms ripping through the South. Fields are taking a beating, yields are down, and margins are razor thin. It's a tough scene out there, but these growers are resilient.
Pack it up, pack it in, let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk, you better back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up, touch the ceiling, monks, let's up on flow. Someone's talking junk, yeah, I'll bust them in the eye, and then I'll take the punks home. Feeling funky, amps in the trunk, and I got more rhymes than this cops that I do.
We will drill, baby, drill.
You're going to have a farmer 3 times every single day in your life. You go see a doctor maybe once a month, maybe once a year. Dentist the same, your accountant, your solicitor. But you're going to need that farmer 3 times a day, every single day. Never forget that. We're an important part of the whole system of life.